Hello guys and welcome to Convertmate. It is a tool for your e-commerce store. It helps you to optimize everything and deliver fast results. And it also has built-in AI, of course, to analyze anything. But let's first go over the main website and then we just dive right into the dashboard of Convertmate and I'll show you how it works. Here we are on the main page and this is how the dashboard will look like in a second. There's a little video. It is trusted by 200 plus fast growing e-commerce brands and they all use it. Why it works, the search, for example, you can see where the search traffic is coming from. The impressions, CTR and clicks really fast and it's automatically optimizing. And also, for example, you can split test between product A and product B, for example. And here you can see it has an additional revenue of 132 million over all the shops. It increases the average sales of 34% and increased the organic traffic of 45%. And these are quite high numbers and they integrate seamlessly. You can, for example, use it for Shopify, for TikTok, Meta ads, Google ads, Google Analytics, etc. And here you can see all the integrations. If you have another integration, you would highly see it in here probably. Here is some comparison, what it does. Let's go down. Here are some success stories. Let's skip that for a second. And let's actually jump right into the program, into the dashboard. Here we are in the dashboard. I am using a trial now and a demo account, but just to show you guys how it works. Here, for example, here are the actions of the week. You can add actions and it will tell you, for example, connect Google Merchant Center to increase the visibility of your products on Google Shopping and enable internal linking to improve your website's SEO and user experience. Your optimization score, you can see right here your last revenue, the traffic on 30 days and the add to cart rate. Because it is a demo, it's not showing me revenue, for example. If we go down, you can speak to a specialist, explore the help center or learn from their blog. And here, for example, you can see the popular pages, your URL on your website, where people look for the most and what gets the most clicks. What is the time on the page, the bounce rate, when do they click away, the active users, the new users, the sessions, and the engagement rate is also really important, of course, and the conversions if they are there, but because we got no revenue and no orders, you cannot see, of course. Here, this is really important, I would say, because if you spend a lot on ads, you want to know where the traffic is coming from, and this can easily show you where the traffic is coming from and where you can double down on. Here it is. If we go back down, there's some planning, what they are going to improve on the platform, alt text on page magic, and you can see some more things. We have one unpublished blog article, for example. It says here the best selling products. It shows you, it can optimize your text, but this is it for the dashboard. Let's go over right here, the store. Click on, for example, and here you can type in any product and it shows you the exact organic traffic, the target keyword, the revenue, and you can sync it, of course, and when it's added. And you can also set tags if you want to and filter it on that way. Go to collections, it works the same. You got collections, it counts the products and you can see organic traffic as well. And if you do view details, for example, it shows you the target keyword, the monthly traffic, and here, for example, the cost per click, the search intent and the search volume, and also the click CTR, etc., the average position image, and how it shows on the meta and what is better to improve. And we go back to static pages. We cannot see anything right here right now. The blog pages, for example, all the blogs you have done, and when they are published, let's for example click on this one, the targeted keyword, and you can change it, the organic clicks, and you can even generate meta tags, but I got a demo store, I cannot generate it right now. Here is the full text, of course, what you need, and you can add internal links and publish because these are backlinks which improve your visibility. Let's go to optimization on page magic. Here are things on scope. For example, let's click on this one, view details, review complete, and you will see here edit suggestions or view suggestions, new description. This is the original and it can be a lot shorter, for example, and it shows me like people have a fast look at it and they know what it is and what is important. about the product. For example, crafted from high quality stainless steel. That's what people want to know, and emotion, of course. Let's do a bulk operation. Everything in bulk you can import right here. You can manage even your keywords. Let's go back because I got no webshop right now on here. The competitors, the monthly traffic and the tracked keywords, the backlinks they have, for example. If they, for example, got a lot more traffic, they probably got better backlinks. But it really depends on the shop and on the keywords on the website. And you can add a new competitor here if you want to. And if we click on view details, there was a little glitch right now. It's because we got the demo store. And these are, of course, not live right now. Let's go to SEO audit. And here you can see 1996 verified data from Google Search Console. The backlinks we got. The tracked keyword, rising keywords, declining keywords, the top keywords. If we have, for example, an ad and we want to target people, then we go just to here, see the top keywords, and we can double down on it. And then we can mostly also increase the traffic, probably. The backlink history right here you can see, and also the keyword distribution. And let's go to marketing. Here's the feeds. You can connect your Google Merchant Center. Wait, let me click away. The Meta Commerce Manager, of course, for your meta ads. The Pinterest is coming soon. They are really working on this product and they are evolving real fast and integrating things. I think it will come soon. Actually, Amazon as well and TikTok as well. Meta as well, but that's only for the feeds, of course. Magic blocks. For example, view tropical map, this is the second one, and here you have a tropical map. If you want to, you can see a lot of keywords right here. The calendar, what's coming up, articles, set. You can actually turn on real things, the shop description, you can edit. And let's go to analytics. And here you can filter your analytics if you want to for last 7 days, 15 days, 30, 90 and 180 days on revenue, orders count, page views, at the cart rate, organic traffic and products count. Then we have settings. Let's go over them. You got a lot of languages, as you can see right here. These are all the languages. Then you have the tone of voice. You can also change product pages, product descriptions. You can change everything in here. Actually, it's really comes in handy. It works pretty well and you can choose a lot of things yourself. Some just go with the standard settings and some just want to customize everything. It's just your choice. Magic links, for example, you can add. The SEO, you have all these settings right here about everything. Also the country, the language, the SEO audit frequently. You can use this, set it on daily, weekly or monthly. The integrations, like I said before. Connect with Google Analytics 4, Google Merchant Center and Google Search Console. You can do that. Reports, you can do a report every week, every 2 weeks, month, 3 months. Just what you would like, your account and your billing. Here are the plans. I will put down a link in the description. Of course, you don't have to subscribe. It is an affiliate link. I just have to say that, but of course you don't have to use it. I would only appreciate it if you do. But let's go over it again. We got the starter. This is all monthly. Up to 200 orders per month, essential search feeds and CRO features, 200 included products, 50 included collections, 100 included crawled pages, email support, and for some reason sometimes it's better to go to Pro because the additional products cost sometimes more than just upgrading. And here you got all the different kinds of plans, as you can see. You can contact them as well. You can do also the annual description and you get 2 months for free in there. That's about it. If we click on here, I cannot show you right now, but if you click on here, you go to the Google Analytics of your store, the Google Merchant Center, Google, I don't think it works right now because I'm in the demo. You have the notifications. Here's some help desk and here is your account. You can refer a friend and then you can earn as well if you want to. And here you go fast to the settings. As you can see right here, these are the same. So guys, that's actually it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll try to help you out and I hope you have a great day. I'll leave the link down below.